help it, there's fucking things.
Oh my, oops.
Where's the mojo?
Dad, you better open your bag. You're not puking back here.
Now we need to get like a fucking plastic bag. Excuse me. How do I get to 278 or B2A from here? Oh, I drove that way? Fuck. Okay, thank you.
Oh my, look at my makeup.
If you throw up in my car, you're fucking licking it off. I swear.
I got you, Nina.
Straight, go down to 43rd Street. No, I look like shit right now. You're gonna go straight.
Totally, look at us.
You don't know.
It's my birthday!
Oh my god.
Welcome to the mojo!
43rd and Maple left.
Hold on, Nina!
You guys need to relax because I'm trying to listen to directions.
I got
43rd and then make a left.
Someone stole my crown. Listen, baby, I'm
Thank
rich.
you.
I know that you like having my crown.
Alright, I'm gonna puke in my mouth. Is he serious though? I look like shit right now. Hi, do you see what I look like? I'm fucking wrecked. I can't talk right. I'm probably gonna throw up on
like
him.
a man.
I can't help it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I'm gonna throw up.
43rd is gone.
I'm definitely like the throw up is in my throat, ready to come out. I can't even talk.
Oh!
Shut the fuck
I
up.
threw up last night and he almost passed out.
Yo.
Yes! Yes! You threw up!
Like this.
Yes!
No, he goes like this. Tina, you're qualified. You go in there and help. Wait, what? She said that you can go in there and help her.
You're qualified. I'm gonna pass out.
You were burping and puking and throwing.
I loved it. I don't think any of it don't leave.
Oh shit.
I'm drunk.
Yo, can we not talk about this anymore? I'm about to puke. In here.
It's the Hojo!
Are you niggas serious?
Welcome to the Hojo! It's where the goodies go!
Oh my god. Wait, time out.
Goody,
Are serious right now. We all look like fucking hell.
Well,
We
they
all
can't
look-
tell. Take your sunglasses off so they can see the real you.
No, I'm not taking my sunglasses off. Let them think what they want, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
what time is it? And why are we up? 7 o'clock.
I thought we were leaving at like 10:30.
I'm so drunk from last night. I can't open my eyes.
Let's go.
Red light, Dina.
No, it never stopped me before. You better relax with your fucking throwing up and get a fucking plastic bag.
Welcome to the Hojo. It's where the goodies go.
We're
Do we say it?
Thank you, but that's my girlfriend. She's getting sick.
I like puss puss. We like the